Okay, so with a few modifications that I'll show in the pictures, you can adjust this anti-theft angled camera holder for your ring. Turn it either way, how far you want it. On the bottom there is a screw here that holds it closed, and it's got the star head, so nobody, unless you're carrying that around with you, nobody's gonna get it. And then you adjust this one for when you get your angle set. And now that should work with my solar charger.
See how cool this the camera is. The light, you can switch up and down for the sunlight, and it's really good for catch the sunlight when the light reflection on.
This is the solar panel right there. Works good. Easy to install.